The Power Step from AAM Research offers some unique features that you can't get with a traditional running board. When you open your door, the step automatically drops down and offers a significantly lower step than standard steps or running boards on the market. Where most steps come down about 2 to 3 inches below the pinch weld, the Power Step drops down 6 to 7 inches when deployed. Once you're inside the vehicle and have the door closed, the board retracts underneath your vehicle, so it doesn't interfere with your ground clearance, plus it just looks sleek and nice. This is also a neat piece because it has an anti-pinch feature built in to prevent the boards from closing on top of any obstruction. The boards themselves are 7 inches wide, providing an extra wide step that's perfect for anyone to use. With a massive 600-pound weight rating, the Power Step can hold twice as much weight as most running boards and Nerf bars. AAM has really thought of everything here because they have a pair of LED lights included for each of the Power Step running boards. These lights come on when the step deploys and turn off when the step retracts, so you don't have to worry about installing or purchasing a separate lighting kit. The AAM Research Power Steps are backed with a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty. If you would like to purchase the Power Steps or have them installed on your vehicle, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.